So guys, now we'll fill up the form IMM 1295E, application for work permit made outside of Canada. So we're doing it with reference to an LMIA based job offer which has been given to one of, let's say, a person in India, John Smith, and John is filling this form because he has never gone for any application to IRCC, so he does not have UCI. So he fills the form. I want service in English. His full name is asked, so it's like Smith John. Have you ever used any other name? Let's say no. Whatever is applicable in UK. Sex, he is male. Date of birth, let's say he was born in 1995, June 1st. Place of birth, let's say New Delhi. Country, India. He's an Indian citizen, so he selects India. Country or territory of residence, let's say it's India for him. Status, let's say he is a citizen. Previous country or territory. During the past 5 years, have you lived in any country or territory other than your country of citizenship or your current country or territory or residence for more than 6 months? Let's say no. Gone. Same where you're applying, yes. Your current marital status, let's say he has never married. Personal details, have you previously been married or in a common law relationship? Let's say no. Languages, native language or mother tongue, because he is from India, let's say his native language is Hindi. So many options. Are you able to communicate in English, French? English. Have you taken an exam? No, he's going for work permit. Now it asks for his passport, so I'll put a typical passport number. Issued in India, let's say it was issued in 2019, 06/17. Typical Indian passport, valid for 10 years. Okay. National identity document. So when I filled this form for the first time, I selected yes, and in India you get PAN card. So I just put that number and it was accepted. Issue date and expiry date are not mandatory, so you can skip it, but I think PAN card comes with expiry date, so issue date, so you can put that, and based on your country, and I had explained it to my explanation letter. It was successful. Are you a green card holder? No. Contact information, current mailing address, apartment 1 New Delhi Street. Let's say New Delhi, just sample guys. New Delhi, India. Sample Delhi. This is the same as mailing address, yes. Phone number, yes, he has. He's applying from India, so he's using Indian phone numbers. Cellular, typical 10 digits. He has some other number as well. Let's say he has now a residence number, so again the country code is gonna be the same. Okay, sample. Email address is important. Okay, what type, now this is very important, what type of work permit are you applying for? So he is applying labor market impact assessment stream, LMIA. Detail of prospective employer. Okay, so let's say there's an IT company here, New Toronto IT company. Address 1 Torontonian Street, Toronto, Ontario. Sample. Intended location of employment. So let's say he'll be employed at the same position, same location. Ontario, city, town, Toronto, address. Let me see if I can copy paste it. Oh, I could. But it's not mandatory that you'll be working at the same place. This is in this case. My would be, let's say, system analyst programmer. Yeah. Basic description of duties. So write down as per your case. I'm just doing this to fill the form. Duration of expected employment. So let's say he's coming from 2021 June till 2023 LMIA number. I'm just writing sample. Let me see if the system accepts. Must be greater than or equal to, okay, whatever they have said, I will use that format. Okay, perfect. Have you any post registration? Yes. So let's say typical Indian case, 1995 born, so at the age of 18 he joined a college. So let's say from 2013 06 to 2017 07 he studied bachelor's of, oh sorry for the spelling, of technology in IT school, New Delhi IT College, city New Delhi, New Delhi, country, it's very sensitive, India. Employment. Give the details of your employer for past 10 years, including if you have held any government position. Okay, so let's say after we graduated in 2017 he got a job and he's still continuing. So this is not a mandatory field like to, but if you start typing it, it becomes mandatory. So what I had done, like I still put the current year and month when I applied for my work permit, and I explained that I was still employed there, so there was no question asked to me and my application was successful. So it's working analyst, programmer, New Delhi IT company, city, town, let's say New Delhi, country, India. Now background information, you have to do it very carefully and make sure you answer as per your case. Alright, within past 2 years, have you or a family member ever had tuberculosis? Let's say no. Do you have any physical mental disorder? No. But if it's applicable, say yes and provide the information. Have you ever remained beyond the validity? No. Denied visa, work permit? No. Remain Canada have you ever applied to remain Canada? Let's say no. But if yes, put yes and provide the information. Again I say you fill as per your case. Have you ever committed? No. Serve in military, militia? No. Because of the political party, other groups? No. Witness ill treatment of prisoners? No. Okay. Now date you can select here. For electronic applications you don't need to sign here physically by printing, but one thing is very important, you validate. So after you have validated, let's save it somewhere in your computer, and then you can upload it. But yes, always have it second review, because this validation is just for validation error, that you have not missed any mandatory field, any format or something like that. But in order to verify the information that you have put in correctly, always have the second verification. Alright, now we'll go ahead and upload the form.